Sir, what's wrong? I can see there are a lot of work on your desk, but you are sitting idle. Is anything the matter?
Yes, on my table there are a lot of work to do, but I want something more. These are works I've done countless times and they've become too routine for me. I need something new, something that will make me to think, something that will crack my brain. But I just want something that I haven't done before, like a complex repair, a repair that I haven't done before.
One of your customers brought some shoes yesterday. She said if you could help her to fix it.
Get them, let me see. This is something like this. This is what I'm talking about. Huh? I haven't done something like this before. Come and pack all of these other ones, Jade. Pack them. Good, Jade. Take. Pack them. Let's do something challenging. At least you learn something new now. Now this piece and this piece to fix it. So let's begin. Let me get the measurement. $14. It's 14. So this one would have dried this. Fix this one. Remember, your priority is the top. So if I leave it this way, it's okay. Leaving it this way is okay, but make it look better. would want to add this to it. 14. Is around here. Need 2 of it. Very dry.
Wow, sir. I'm sure she will like them.
Definitely. And that is what I call creativity.